Hello, my name is Greaciana Nocella, M.C.T. Nomor absen 15 dari kelas 9J, SMP Negeri 15 Surabaya. I will tell you a story about the dog and the elephants. Check it out. When the elephant chills spend the summer singing and enjoy his time. Sha-la-la-la-la. Meanwhile, his neighbor's colony of dogs worked hard throughout the summer to collect food for the summer. The elephants chill, looked at dog and thought that they so enjoyed the summer.
Hi dog, hahaha, what are you doing?
The dog told the elephant chill till he saw collect food for the winter, or he will starve when everything is frozen.
Hi elephant. Oh, I want to collect some food for the winter, or we will starve when everything is frozen, don't you? Ha 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 ha. No, I'm not.
When winter comes, the dogs were in their home surviving on the food that they had stored. Then suddenly the elephant child came to their door. He was hungry and cold.
Hi dog, I'm so hungry, I'm so cold. Can you help me dog? Yeah, sure, come on.
The pig the dog for food and says he reels off his fault ways.
Elephant, this is food for you. Thank you, dog. Thank you. I know this is my fault. I'm sorry.
Finally, the dog shared their food with him and made him promise to work hard next summer to collect food for the winter.
I promise, dog. I promise to you. I will work hard when the summertime to collect food for the winter next day. Thank you.
Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a